We got another good project on the go. So we're going to be building a fence along the side of the house and out front. So over the next few days, we're going to be renting a skid steer, getting lumber delivered, digging holes, you know, and building a whole fence. So we'll take you along. You're going to need some string line, tape measure, some marker tape. Here we are at the front of the property. We're going to put a post here, come up to the corner of the sidewalk, and then we're going to go all the way across to the bend of the driveway. And then down below at the front, we're going to do that section at the front of the property, all cedar fencing as well. So that'll be nice because it's quite an open space. It's a new neighborhood, but it's nice to have a little privacy. I'm just going to cut a few stakes out of this 1x material for the string. So the panels are going to be 8 feet. So 8 landed there. Let's come back and to the gate on this side of the sidewalk. Pull up and tear. Okay, got that. 10. Right there. That. Okay, we can just roll that out. What do we do over there?
We cut the fence off.
You can do it. Lift it up. Just push it up. You can do it. That's using your head, hey?
Did you do all these ones over here?
Oh yeah, I think so.
Oh, no, this one.
Whoa, Gil, we're gonna lose you. Ready? Just a second, stop. He's coming out. Got your foot, Gil? Stuck? That was sketchy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, we're getting the lumber delivered from the hardware store here, so that's exciting.
Today we are gonna move these posters.
That's right. So the Hiab truck from the hardware store is coming with all of our fencing material. We've got long posts here. I think these are 4x4x10 yellow cedar posts. And then we've got some fir 1x6x8 and fir 1x6x6, I think. And we also got some cedar 2x4x8s. And this right here.
And we already built it.
That's right. And that was our concrete getting dropped off right there that we mixed in the holes. In the background, you can see the old deer fencing that we're going to replace with the cedar and fir fence.
Yeah. Today we are driving the skid steer.
That's right. We were driving the Skidsteer, Rosie. And what were we doing with it?
We're doing holes.
Why did we need holes?
Because we need a fence.
That's right. Yeah. Did you like driving the Skidsteer?
Yeah. But you helped me.
I did help you. We did it together, right? It was a pretty big machine, right?
Yeah.
So, how many holes did we get? Can you count them? Oh, that's a lot of holes for a fence post. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
I knew it. So it down.
We're building the fence now. We already drew and in the holes, and on 9A are helping our friends and us.
That's right. We were putting the posts in, packing in the dirt, mixing in some concrete, and getting these posts plumbed up. We got Oswald there and Dad tamping the dirt in, making sure it's in rock solid. That last fence line went really quick. Lots of kids helping out, and we're doing another line.
Today we are gonna build a fence.
That's right, Rosie, we were building the fence. This was actually our most difficult line. You'll see as the video progresses, there was a lot of rock in this one. I mean, we are in a sand pit, but there was more rock than the other parts in this section.
Oh yes, good to go. Let's go, folks.
That's great, he's a professional. Look at all this good fencing. Okay, so we got all the fence line in down below and all the holes drilled up top. So in behind me here, we've got the fence line in there, and in behind me on this way, we've got the fence line in as well. Start working on this line here. We gotta dig out the holes, get them a little bit deeper, and then we'll concrete them in, let them set for a few days, and then we'll build the fence. So that's exciting. See in the background there, and it's we're still concreting in.